Marketing strategy for the Crown RC 5500 and FC 5200. Lift truck industry, there are a lot of variables to think about when developing a buyer persona. Every customer typically has unique needs that must be addressed when setting them up with the correct size and type of lift truck. Some of those variables include weight capacity, battery voltage and amp hour rating, floor type and consistency, the type of load that will be hauled, do they need any special attachments? Also, what kind of floor space is available? Will a sit-down truck like the FC 5200 work, or do they have less space and need a stand-up truck like the RC 5500? Another important question needs to be answered is overhead clearance and lifting height, as well as weight. For this exercise, our customer is going to be a meat packing plant that lifts 3,000-pound totes to a height of 121 inches in their warehouse. They utilize opportunity charging on existing 36-volt chargers. They're loading and unloading from a warehouse and loading docks. They utilize drive-through racking and have polished wet floors. What are some problems this buyer has? They have less traction due to wet floors. They lack proper battery handling maintenance and procedures. They have a lack of trained operators and lift truck personnel. They have no formal maintenance training for their mechanics, and their current trucks are unreliable and aging. Some problems we can solve for this buyer. We can add treaded tires to their existing trucks or new trucks. It's also important to point out that the RC 5500 and FC 5200s utilize traction control standard on their lift trucks. We can offer Crown battery handling maintenance posters for their charging areas. We can explain our Train the Trainer program for operators. This is a program where we take select personnel from the customer to our location and train them to be forklift operator trainers for the customer. We also offer training to their maintenance personnel. We'll bring them to where we train our own technicians and train them up on lift trucks that they're working at the customer. We can offer demos of the RC 5500 and FC 5200 line of lift trucks, and I'd like to explain to the customer and offer as an option our Encore line of lift trucks. Our Encore line of lift trucks are remanufactured lift trucks that have been turned in from leases from other customers. These trucks come with a 1-year warranty and are touted as good as new. The first truck we'll look at for the customer today is the RC 5500. It's got a collapsed height of 71.3 inches and a max lift height of 154 inches. It's got a maximum capacity of 4,000 pounds. It's a 36-volt truck with a 1240 amp hour battery. The weight of the truck minus the battery is 2,930 pounds. The max weight of the truck is 6,000 pounds. The next truck we'll look at is the Frank Charlie 5200. It's got a collapsed lift height of 83 inches, a max lift height of 188 inches, a maximum capacity of 5,000 pounds. It utilizes a 36-volt power system with a 1,210 amp hour battery. It weighs 8,082 pounds minus the battery and has a max weight of 10,712 pounds. Crown offers the most cutting-edge and durable lift trucks on the market. Crown is a one-stop shop for all things material handling. I would like for the customer to go to www.crown.com to check out all the features offered on those two lift trucks. While at crown.com, I would like for them to check out other things Crown offers besides lift trucks. Crown is a one-stop shop for anything material handling and warehouse related. We offer everything from mops and mop buckets all the way to lift trucks. We are the Amazon of material handling. While there, I would also like for them to sign up for a demo of the RC 5500 and FC 5200. Crown is the best customer support channels in the industry. From the time that a technician puts in a sales lead for the sales team, they have 4 hours to contact the customer and set up a meeting in order to fulfill the customer's needs. Technicians are also assigned to specific customers to help build trust between customer and Crown. All trucks are cleaned as part of Crown's planned maintenance program. When a customer signs up for a PM program, whether it be yearly, semi-annually, or monthly, they know their truck is going to be taken care of very well. All our lift truck brands are using technology that Crown has left behind years ago. Also, Crown Lift Trucks is a company that focuses on integrity, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. Crown Trucks set the industry standard for longevity, with many trucks still in the field in good working order long after recommended service life. They focus on decreasing waste and energy and utilizing sustainable resources whenever feasible. Most Crown lift trucks are over 99% recyclable, and over 60% of the steel used in lift trucks comes from recycled steel, according to their website. Also, 99% of the scrap steel and plastic from manufacturing is recaptured and recycled, as well as 160 tons of cardboard per year. To further Crown's sustainability and environmental responsibility, Crown also remanufactures their lift trucks as part of their Encore program and many components through their Renewed program. Crown even focuses on repurposing existing buildings for expansion instead of building new. Crown has a zero landfill status and was awarded the G75 Green Supply Partner Award in 2017. Crown is located at 44 South Washington Street in New Bremen, Ohio.